Hello guys, hi, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are all right. So I decided to come outside today because tomorrow is my baby's birthday, and I decided to come out to come and do some birthday cake shopping. So come with me while I do this shopping. Yeah, you guys have to decide what cake is best for them. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Hello. Hi, we need a nice cake.
Sorry.
Hi, I'm looking for a very beautiful cake for my baby's birthday.
We have these ones there, or we have other side as well.
Oh, there's some here. Oh,
Yeah.
those ones is nice, isn't it? That looks nice. What should we go for now?
बर्तन देखो वो बिल्कुल ओरे नाल ना रखियो थोड़ा लेके काटे चला ले अंदर से
I will go for this one. Right. Is it okay if I take this one over here, please? Guys. Stay there. So we decided to took the woman there. So that's where we are now. Where the cards for pay this card. Oh yeah. Right guys, here it goes. Ready for tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's beautiful. Thank you. There
Can
we
you
go.
manage to take?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.